Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. First of all, if you guys could please smash that like button, I'd really appreciate it. If you guys could leave a comment down below, even better, super helps the channel out. It's Monday morning, it's bright and early. Actually, like I said, it's not bright because I get here really early and it's really dark. We got lots to do. We got some big changes coming. We have a lot of cars piling up outside, and I wouldn't necessarily say we are behind, but we took a lot on at one time. So today in the shop, I don't have a whole lot in the shop, but I do have this Honda Goldwing. It's kind of like a bluish purple color. We call it blurple. I don't normally do this, but we are going to be doing a full detail on this bike. Now, I don't have it scheduled today or even necessarily this week, but I did tell him if he can get it here, since the weather's not very nice, maybe I can jump to it back and forth, because I do want to do a severe cut and polish on the paint. I want to polish all the chrome. I want to condition the leather, clean the vinyl, the plastic, you name it. Wheels, I want to roll it forward, you name it. There's lots of chrome down in there with lots of bugs on it. I'm trying to get this thing cleaned up and ready for spring. Of course, we'll be treating that as well. So, like I said, I don't normally do it, but we did bring in a bike to do a full detail on. Still got the Del Sol in here from the weekend. Drove the coupe home this weekend. Did really good. Doesn't like cold start at all. It barely stays running on a cold start. It has a really like bad lope, like whoop, 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 and then sometimes it'll shut off. So anyways, we got to definitely get some more tuning done on that, but the car operated fantastic. I do have a I believe to be a bad wideband sensor, so possibly from running rich or just the vehicle sitting here and there. Sometimes things go bad. It happened with the Volvo 255 fuel pump as well. I put it in and it sat for so long that finally when it was running and driving, the fuel pump went out and went bad, so I had to replace it again with another Volvo 255. So anyways, we're gonna go ahead and order up a new wideband sensor. That way we're prepared and ready for when we do our street tuning. I'm not gonna install it right away. Let's see here. We also have this tailgate. I pulled the dent out the other day, and I got some fills on. I'm gonna go ahead and pull some sanding blocks out. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this filler down, and then I'm gonna machine DA 80 grit out all the metal, and then I'm gonna apply a few coats of high build primer. I'm gonna try to get that done by the end of the day. We also have a Toyota Camry bumper for a 2012 Toyota Camry. We just got that, so we're gonna let it unfold and relax and do its thing. We have to heat it a little bit before we paint it. Inside the spray booth, nothing's changed. We still have the 2016 Ford Fiesta sitting here. I want to get this thing done and out of here, so I have to today. Between the tailgate, I'm gonna cut some filler, and then once I have that thing ready to prime, I'm gonna be hopping over to this. I gotta finish putting in the wheel liners. I got to do a little heating on the bumper to manipulate the way the bumper is, because plastic, just when they ship these bumpers, they get destroyed. So, and then I need to insert some light bulbs into the headlight housings, because the new one didn't come with it. I got a driver's side knee bolster airbag to put in. I got a driver's seatbelt retractor to put in. And we're gonna reset the SRS light. And then of course it's gonna need some sanding and buffing and polishing, which I might not have to get to that part today, but if I can at least get everything assembled, I would be happy. And then, because I'd really like this thing to leave this week. We also have to put it in the door handle, so no big deal. I just like to do a little detailing before I do all that. So with that being said, I also have a 2015 Kia Forte rear bumper. This is just the lower section. I just kind of had it up there relaxing for the weekend, but that's the lower section. Of course, we don't need to paint the lower section, but we do need to paint the top section. And let's see what else we got out here, guys. Oh, we got lots of stuff to do. Looks like I have the bumper rebar for the Kia Forte too. It's like an SMC material instead of steel. Sheet molded compound, if you guys don't know what SMC stands for. We got the tailgate cap for the tailgate. A wheel liner we did not need, and for the Ford Fiesta that we are probably going to most likely just throw away because it wasn't that expensive, and it'd be more expensive for us to drive to the post office. Anyways, I did do some heating on the rear canards for the right-hand drive Turbo Civic. So the rears are ready. I do got to do some shaving on the Type R front lip to get this to fit a little bit better and a little bit tighter before I paint it. But I definitely not priority right now. I have a pile up of cars outside. We also have some 2010 Chevy Silverado bumper parts. We have the bumper brackets and the bumper caps. We are still waiting for the grill supports. So as soon as that gets here, we'll try to get them scheduled, but we got a pile up of cars outside, so I don't believe I'm gonna be bringing them in this week. Now, I also have a Class 3 Curt hitch receiver kit. This is a direct bolt-on kit. It goes to the factory frame rails, and it will allow a 2000 Honda CR-V to have a 2-inch hitch receiver. Now, he's pretty much just using this to put a nice bike rack system that he has already on his vehicle. So there's no need necessarily to tow anything. So we're not doing any wiring for trailers or anything like that. But we do have the hitch receiver. We're also going to be replacing the muffler on his car. So I'm currently waiting on the muffler and the gaskets and fresh hardware as well. So let's see here. We also have outside, we got a Saab, and we're going to be putting in a fuel pump. So we're going to be doing that fuel pump on the Saab. We also have a Chevy Silverado. We're going to be doing a tune-up, brakes, serpentine belt, a power window regulator, and probably a few other things. There's the Saab that we're going to be doing a fuel pump on, and we might be doing a couple other things as well on that. We have an old body style Chevy Silverado that we are going to be doing. Most likely, I still want to pressure test it, but we're going to most likely be doing a head gasket job on it, as well as a tune-up and some fluids. And I also kind of randomly squeezed in another one. We got a Chevy Sonic that's been in here before. It is now getting a new turbocharger. The customer was actually in the process of putting it on himself and just got stuck. He couldn't get into some places, so I told him if he can get it here, I'm sure we can help him out, and we'll go ahead and get the new turbocharger installed and replaced on his Chevy Sonic. We also have a Volvo Xc90. This actually used to be my Volvo Xc90. I sold it and the customer brought it back, of course, months ago, but it actually got a mice infestation into it, and now the mice actually ate all the wiring on the wiring harness behind the dash, and stereo doesn't work, heater doesn't work, a whole bunch of things don't work. We actually have, it's pretty gross. I don't even want to bring it in the shop because I don't want a chance of any mice getting in here, but we got lots of debris, I guess you could say, some nesting material that the mouse had found, and or rat or whatever it is, and actually started creating nests underneath the center console, the carpet, all that stuff. So when you peel back the carpet in various spots, you can see more nesting material. So essentially the seats, the carpet, plastic trim, you name it, would all have to come out to severely not only clean and get all the debris out, but essentially get rid of the rat and the mice problem as well. So you don't want to replace, you don't want to go fixing the wiring and then there still be a mouse or a rat inside the car. So, you know, so anyways, I'm going back and forth with State Farm Insurance Company right now. I'm trying to get the vehicle totaled out because I, for one, I don't even want to mess with it. It's not even worth my time to bring it in and start that mess of a job. And even after tallying up the hours, I believe the value of the repair is more than the vehicle is worth. Now, although I do believe right now used cars are worth a little more than what Blue Book is saying that they are, but based on the Blue Book value of that vehicle, we are definitely a total loss. So most likely we will be totaling that out. Either way, there's no way I'm going to be doing that repair, but I will do what I can for the customer to total that vehicle out if I can. If not, then I'm going to have to send her to somewhere else that, you know, would want to take on that job, because I sure as hell don't. So anyways, guys, I know there's nothing cool. This is just kind of a quick Monday update. I'm very excited to be back in the shop. I'm pumped. I'm a little stressed out. We got lots of stuff to do, more than enough to do. So this is going to be a very busy week and month. Actually, we got a super busy month. I already got the schedule pretty much completely blocked out. So a little bit overwhelming, but very exciting, and it's a very good thing. And I'm excited to have a good, busy, productive day. It always feels good going home when you got production. So we are going to be changing things up a little bit in the shop. I am going to be letting go of my mechanic. My mechanic is going to be moving on. You know, I'm not in a hurry. I told him he's got some time to find a place to get his box, but he is going to be moving on. Like I said, this is bigger and better things for not only him, but me too. So we are going to be making some changes in the shop. So between me and Mikey once a week, we are going to be slammed. But very excited. So the shop is going to be changing up a little bit. So stay tuned, guys. Nothing exciting today in the vlog, but I'm sure by tomorrow we'll have some updates, and I'll get you guys, of course, updated this week. Get at me if you guys want some Nitro merch. I'd love to send you guys some stuff. I can give you guys send you guys some free stickers too, so get at me. Links in the description for Instagram, Facebook. You can contact us through our website. You know, that way we can get your address and we can send you some free stickers. If you guys want some merch, we can make some plans to merch. We got Nitro hoodies, tees, dad hats, trucker hats, beanies, you name it. We got lots of stuff coming, so get excited. This is just the beginning. We also just surpassed 200 subscribers over the weekend, so shout out to all you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for liking the videos, leaving comments. Super helps the channel out. I have a few videos that are just skyrocketing. I mean, every 48 hours they're getting hundreds of views. So very pumped to see that. And like I said, I'm just like, this is only the beginning. So anyways, like this video, comment down below. I gotta get to work. I got lots of stuff to do. I want it to be a productive day. All you guys have a good day, a good week. Hit that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one.
Ooh, like LeBron though, or like Bonzo. Ooh, I'm a baller, yeah, shot caller, yeah. They love me, you can't touch me, nah, can't trust me. I'm too lucky. Look at me, look at you, what you see, what you do.